Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you how to make organic homemade plant fertilizer. So in our balcony, we have a small garden where we grow plants, flowers, lemon tree, and aloe vera, etc. etc. So what do we do to ramp them up? We are gonna share with you this. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. If you want, you can also subscribe to our channel. Let's get it started. So let's see, what do we need for this. First of all, we are gonna need eggshells. Here I have around 12 eggs. And then we are gonna need 5 tablespoons of apple vinegar. So what we are gonna do in the first place is we are gonna take our cooking paper and we are gonna place in our tray, and we are gonna place our eggshells here. So what we want to do here is, what we want here, guys, is we want pure calcium out of these eggshells. For that reason, we are placing the eggshells in such and we are gonna put for 10 minutes, around 10 minutes, into our oven. Guys, some people prefer to do it in the microwave, but I actually do not recommend that for you, because we want the organic eggshells to give us the organic calcium, which is gonna actually ramp up our plants and they're gonna grow faster. So we take this and we are gonna place around 10 minutes. It's gonna stay there. So there we go. So what we want to do here, guys, we take one piece, we place into our wooden, actually I crush here garlic, but or black pepper, but you know, if you don't have this type of thing, you can crush it maybe in something else. Just I'm using what I have, guys. And then we start crushing them. Then you can place in a bowl or a plate. Guys, this is pure calcium. So I will keep crushing more eggshells. Guys, try to make the mix as much as you can into powder. See this white thing here? It's all calcium, pure calcium. I'm gonna add the rest. So guys, this is the last part of our eggshell, crushed eggshells. I'm gonna just pour them all. And now we have here the pure calcium. What we are gonna do is we are gonna mix it with apple vinegar. This way it will be much more effective for our plants to take it all. When you add the apple vinegar, you are gonna have this smell. It's more of a smell of, you know, when you have a white flour and you are about to make a dough. This is the smell when it comes. So guys, in my previous videos I have shown my lemon tree that I've planted myself, and now it's bigger. So I want my lemon tree to ramp up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this mix to help the lemon tree to grow faster. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the mix and I'm gonna just pour around it. Now guys, after setting this like this, please use the spray. Use water, guys. So now our plant fertilizer is mixed with the soil. In few days guys, you are gonna see how your tree or your plant is gonna ramp up. Guys, thank you for watching us. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. If you want, you could also subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.